Garage door openers form a critical touchpoint for home security, convenience, and daily workflow. With a spectrum from ultra-quiet smart systems to classic chain drives, choosing the right model depends on door type, installation constraints, noise tolerance, and smart home integration. In this review, list number 1, Genie Quiet Lift Connect, Wi-Fi Smart Garage Door Opener with added wireless keypad. Genie's Quiet Lift Connect represents the premium tier in this set, pairing a 3/4 HP-C DC belt drive with Aladdin Connect for Wi-Fi-based control. It ships with 2 pre-programmed remotes, a wireless keypad, and a wall console, and it supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. The 5-piece rail system aims at straightforward assembly, and the unit is rated to lift up to 7-foot doors, 8-foot with an extension kit. The belt drive and steel reinforcement contribute to quiet operation, making it suitable for attached garages. The UL-listed motor, lifetime motor warranty, and a multi-accessory ecosystem, Brilliant Smart Home, Control 4, etc., round out the feature set. Performance-wise, the 0.75 HP motor on a belt drive typically delivers smoother starts and less vibration than chain drives, which translates to less audible disruption in living spaces adjacent to the garage. Aladdin Connect provides remote monitoring and control from anywhere with new voice control capabilities through Alexa and Google Assistant. While installation is described as easy, the spec notes an 8-foot height requires an extension kit, which adds cost and setup steps. In daily use, expect robust reliability and strong integration with major smart ecosystems. But be mindful of the need for compatible smartphones and potential router-dependent features for remote List number 2. 2X for LiftMaster Chamberlain Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote Replacement. These are universal replacement remotes from Garage Stop, designed for Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman models dating from 1993 to present. They support multiple Learn button color configurations and provide a long range, up to 120 feet, with rolling code security, Security Plus 2.0. The product ships as a 2-pack with batteries and visor clips, enabling multi-vehicle and backup access. Compatibility is broad within the targeted ecosystems, but explicitly excludes Genie and overhead systems, which is important for multi-brand households. In use, these remotes deliver straightforward programming and reliable performance within the compatible ecosystems. The 120-foot range is competitive for standard suburban driveways, and the rolling code ensures security against replay attacks. The 2-pack format adds convenience for families with multiple cars or as an emergency backup. However, users should confirm dip switch-free compatibility in their specific garage door opener family and avoid cross-brand compatibility if you own a Genie or overhead door system.
List number 3. Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener, Model 1035. Reliable chain drive garage opener. The Genie Chain Drive 500 is a traditional chain drive opener designed for reliability and cost-effectiveness. It includes a single 1-button remote, a lighted wall push button, and the Safety Beam safety system. It supports compatibility with HomeLink and Car2U without extra hubs. This model is intended for sectional doors up to 7 feet high and 350 pounds, with a 5-piece rail system that is easy to assemble. It combines familiar hardware with a straightforward installation path, making it a solid mid-range option for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize reliability. Performance-wise, chain drives tend to be louder than belt or screw-driven systems, though Genie has refined their chain drive to minimize noise. The 0.5 HP DC motor provides adequate lifting for typical residential doors, and the Safety Beam system supports basic safety measures. For users who don't need smart home integration or Wi-Fi connectivity, this model is straightforward and dependable. However, the added features like mobile app control are absent, and future upgrades to smart features would require a separate retrofit or compatible remote ecosystem.
List number 4. 2 for Chamberlain LiftMaster Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote 893LM, 893 Max, 971LM Universal. The Korea City Universal Remotes provide a cost-effective 2-pack replacement option designed for Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman models. They support 3-button programming to control up to 3 doors, pairing well with multi-car households. The remotes are designed to cover 1993 to present opener models with rolling code security and 120-foot range. They come with batteries and visor clips and are a practical add-on for families seeking redundancy or extra access points. In daily use, these remotes deliver dependable operation across compatible models with the rolling code for security. The 3-button design allows you to consolidate remotes for up to 3 doors, reducing clutter. The 2-pack format is especially convenient for households with multiple vehicles. Potential downsides include limited compatibility to specific brand families and absence of smart home connectivity or app-based control, which means you'll rely on physical remotes for access.
List number 5. 2 for Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote 893LM, 893 Max. Solid Remotes LiVisor 3 2-pack remotes are targeted at Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Craftsman ecosystems, with 2 remotes per package and a visor clip for quick access. This option emphasizes an affordable, straightforward remote replacement with a 120-foot operating range and compatibility with models like 891LM, 893 Max, 371LM, 373LM, 971LM, and 973LM. The remotes utilize CR2032 batteries and are designed for easy DIY installation. From a usage perspective, Solid Remote offers a practical, budget-friendly solution for households needing a backup or additional remotes. The 3-device support per remote mirrors other universal options, which is helpful for multi-car setups. However, as with other non-smart remotes, there's no integration with mobile apps or voice assistants, and users should confirm exact compatibility with their opener's model number to avoid mismatch.